Trying to fund with your card, but it keeps getting declined? You're not alone. Most failed payments are caused by incorrect payment details, insufficient funds, or no security reasons, especially when traveling to new locations. Banks might want you to call or reply to an SMS to verify that you actually authorized the transaction, especially with card payments. These are all simple to fix. Here's how. Make sure your card has sufficient funds. Make sure you're using a Visa or MasterCard. Check that it's active and authorized for international payments. Call your bank if you're getting errors. Sometimes they just need to approve the transaction via text or call. For a frictionless experience, tell the bank to authorize for all current and future payments. Apex charges 0 fees for card payments. Still not working? You can also fund using cryptocurrency. Once your card is verified, it's smooth sailing, fast, free, and effortless funding. Want smoother funding? Visit apexmarkets.io to fund your account instantly with card today.